Welcome to the Scoop School podcast, where we tackle your conundrums about the retail ice cream and frozen dessert business. And now, here's your host.
He's no soft serve, but gets in a McFlurry over frozen desserts.
The ice cream bloke and self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, Steve Christensen.
G'day ice cream lovers, welcome to this episode of the Scoop School Show. I think we're going to start calling it the Scoop School Show. I've got to get our announcer man to change his intro. In any case, nice to have you here. We appreciate you tuning in, whether you're listening on iTunes, following on YouTube, following on Facebook. Great to have you here. We do want to thank our episode sponsor, a new sponsor. We've used them from time to time before, but they're back with a vengeance in 2018, is Sterasheen. Sterasheen is a chlorine-based powder, a cleaner, a sanitizer, milkstone remover that you use when you're either sanitizing your ice cream equipment at the beginning of the day or you're cleaning it at the end of the day, made by a company called Purdy Products. Paul Hussmiller and all the guys up there at Sterasheen and Purdy Products, thank you very much for your sponsorship. Sterasheen.com, and it's the green label that you want to talk about. Sterasheen green label, thank you. Now I want to talk in this particular episode about a marketing strategy that a lot of stores use, a lot of stores don't, and is it a good idea, is it not? And that is, do you sell t-shirts, your store t-shirts or logoed t-shirts in your store as either a souvenir or a product that your customers can buy? Well, I can tell you that there are two sides of that coin, but I really lean heavily towards the fact that those stores that sell ice cream t-shirts that either have an ice cream theme on them or that they use as kind of like a branding process, their own logo on it, are very, very popular for a number of reasons. Number one is that it really deepens the engagement that your customer has with your brand. And I know a lot of stores that will actually attach some form of discount or some sort of promotion when the customer is wearing the t-shirt. For example, I know that some stores, when they sell t-shirts, if you wear the t-shirt into the store, you get an immediate 10 to 15% discount because you're wearing the t-shirt. I know other stores that actually encourage their customers when they go on trips, travels and different things to wear the t-shirt and take a selfie in front of an important landmark. And that way they actually put the customer's photograph in their t-shirt either on the Facebook page or scrolling on a television in the store. And again, you've got this much more deeper engagement. It's almost like the next level where your customer is interacting with your brand and becomes a process of loyalty. So I love ice cream t-shirts. I often, when I'm going traveling around the different countries, around the world even, I'll buy ice cream t-shirts from ice cream shops I went to. For example, this shirt I bought at Mike's Ice Cream in Nashville, Tennessee. Mike has a great ice cream shop there, just down from the main strip there. You've got to go and visit it. Mike's Ice Cream, Nashville, Tennessee. In fact, I probably say I bought these t-shirts. A lot of times I go there and people give me the t-shirts, but you really should buy a t-shirt because they're great. Mike's Ice Cream, big shout out. I wear this shirt all the time. Or I'll show you this one that I bought from Hank's Ice Cream in Houston, Texas. Great little ice cream shop, fresh made ice cream, really bright colors. I love the waffle cone motif here on the logo. Just had to buy it. Hank's Ice Cream, Houston, Texas. I've got this one here. I didn't mean to have this one on, sorry. Try that again. From the custard stand in Sessa, Illinois. This one's a little bit tight, I feel a little bit uncomfortable, but you get the idea. It's unbelievable how many people love to buy ice cream t-shirts, wear them around the place, and again, you can really go through the process of really rewarding your customers where they wear their shirt in the store or out and about. I need to get back into my other outfit. So there you go, folks. Just a quick tip, but it's a valuable one. It really doesn't take a lot or cost a lot to get t-shirts made of your particular brand. You could probably get a pretty good, solid, good fiber t-shirt for anywhere between $8 to $15. If you're selling it for anywhere between $19 and $25, people gladly pay that price. And again, it's not necessarily a big money maker. It's more about enriching the brand, building loyalty, and having your customers really go deep with your brand, your logo, and your whole concept. I'd like you to be able to send us t-shirts. No, don't send us t-shirts, that'd be the worst thing. Send us some images of your t-shirts that you have. Keep them in the thread underneath, love to see them. Steve at scoopschool.com for all of your ice cream needs. Again, thank you for Purdy Products and Sterasheen for sponsoring this episode of the podcast. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next one.